Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Chantai.
I'm Kaylee.
So what are we making today, Kay?
We're making witch fingers.
Witch fingers. Ooh. So tell me, witches are very popular at Halloween time, right?
Yes.
A lot of people dress up like witches.
Yes.
So can you tell me three things when you think of a witch, what you think of?
They're scary.
Well, but think of how they dress.
They dress like a black dress and hat
Right.
and green vest.
Okay, like Wizard of Oz.
Yes.
And so that's what I want to talk to you about. So, and what about, do they ride on
a broom?
Okay, so did you know that back in the that the broom kind of symbolized things, and so does the hat. So the hat back in the day, people were kind of like, I want to say, like, they wanted people to know that they were different or they believed different things, so they were kind of ostracized, or and they were made to wear cone-shaped hats out in public. And that might also be that they believed in different things than everybody else, so it kind of wasn't so nice, right? Right, because we should all like each other for, everybody's allowed to be different. But then also they kind of had the witches on a broom, because brooms kind of meant like women that stay home and clean the house, right?
Yeah.
But it kind of meant women that have gone wild. We can go wild, huh?
Okay.
Yeah. And then cats, because cats.
Yeah, witches like cats.
Well, they used to believe 15th century, I think Christians, Puritans, something like that. Puritan Christians, they believed that witches could turn into black cats in a moment's notice.
Wow.
So that if they were trying to catch them or something, or if they were trying, because they didn't like witches, so they wanted to, and they didn't know who witches were, but they figured witches couldn't be good, right? Because they were different, and if they're different, that wasn't good in their opinion, right? That's not fair, is it? They thought they would turn into cats in a moment's notice to avoid being killed. Woo! Okay, so on to our cooking. So what are we cooking today?
So we're making witch fingers.
Witch fingers. Okay, so our ingredients are...
So we have eggs. We have
sliced almonds.
sauce almond.
We have
Parmesan cheese. We have
tomato sauce.
tomatoes.
And crescent rolls.
Yeah, crescent rolls, like a moon.
Crescent rolls. Okay, so we've already opened one, so we could spare you our lovely surprise. So we're gonna open it up, right? Put it out. And open it up. Oh. How do you open them? Okay, so we're just gonna do it like this. Unroll it, right? And then we're just going to cut them, right, into strips. Right?
What?
Did you want to cut some?
I will watch.
You will watch? Okay. And just cut them. Sorry, taking a little while. Just gonna cut them into, you probably could cut these in half again, right?
What?
That one's gonna be her.
Pointy finger. Yeah, her finger.
All right, let's just cut it down the middle like that, and that way it will give us quite a few. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is separate these a little bit, so you can help me with this, Kay. Just move them up a little bit, because we're gonna, I didn't cut very well, did I? Well, okay. Need to cut a little better. Okay, so we have these lined up on the baking sheet, right? Right. These are our fingers cut in little strips. So now I was going to show Kaylee how to separate an egg white from the yolk, okay?
Okay.
So you bang it on the, and then kind of just break it so you get like a half, two halves, and then you flip them back and forth so that the yolk kind of stays in there and the white part runs out, right? And I'm sure there's probably a tool out there that we need, and that would probably be better for you if you ever had to do this. But what we're gonna do with this is, see, and it kind of eventually will break off. And we need the egg white because the egg white we're gonna brush on there. That will help the almonds stick as the fingernails. Okay, I'm having a little trouble here. All right. And let me wash my hair. All right. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Sorry, making lots of noise. Okay. Now, okay, you're gonna brush these just like that, okay?
Okay.
So you brush them, and then this is what we're gonna stick the fingernail in, and we'll make the fingernails coming down this way. Okay, and I'll let you do the fingernails.
Do you want to
Brush and you do the fingernails?
Yeah.
Okay. Certainly. One fingernail. It's got to be like a big long fingernail. Yep. Okay, you made it backwards. You put two of them in there. It has to look at our fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So this is the way the finger is. So where's the finger go? It's pointing down, right? Nope, the other way. Flip it. Oh, maybe you did it right and I did it wrong. Sorry, kid. Bossy mama, huh? Nope, that's going the wrong way. Okay. Like these ones will go up this way, okay? Okay, let me do that. I'm gonna keep brushing them so you can keep going. Okay, now which way did that almond go? You put it the wrong way. And I want it to be a full almond piece too, otherwise it won't look like a finger. So, and all of these are pointing down. We want it to point this way, and they're like going like this, right? Like this. Go at the very edge. Okay, now I want you to try to concentrate on how you're gonna do it. How does the fingernail, the pointy part is gonna point out, right? So I want it to point down like that when you put it on there. Turn it around. Nope. Where's the pointy part?
Right here.
Okay. Pick that up and just put it in there now. Okay, see now that one's already pointing down, so just put it in there. Don't flip, okay, perfect. All right, I'll help you get these out. Now there's one more over here, so which way is he gonna go? Just like that, just put it in there. There you go. Perfect. Just put it in. Okay, now these ones are going to go up, right? Good job. Was it hard to do it upside down?
Not really.
Not really, just a little. Looking for ones that are complete. Or like completely round so they look good. Okay. Good job. Okay, one more, right? All right, so now, did you want to sprinkle, make it like the witch's old, let me just make sure I put all that on there, right? So we did all of those, okay. Do you want to put a little sprinkly cheese behind on her hand so that her hand looks like it's all nubby, like she's old? I don't know if that makes sense, but hey, get to do what we want to do. You could also make them garlic rolls, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that's going to work, so let's just do some of those. Okay, let's do that side. We'll just do that one more, and we'll see. So we'll see how they come out, right? Because it might make it too brown, and then it won't look good. Yeah, so let's just see. Okay, we're good. Now we're going to bake them in the oven for, I think, 8 to 10 minutes. And when they come out, we will show you the witch fingers. Woo! Okay, I just pulled them out of the oven. You can see. Woo! Okay, very hot, Kay. Don't touch, right? So we just wanted you to see how they came out of the oven. Looking like what fingers? So we're going to put them on a pretty tray, and we'll show you how we're going to present them. Okay, so this is how we arranged them for our witch's fingers. Okay. Oh, who's that?
This is Granny
From?
from
Don't cover her. Hold
This
her.
is-
Hold her so we can see him. Wow.
This is Granny from the movie Family Guy.
The Addams
The
family.
Adam family.
Wow. Did you make that?
Yes.
Let me see. You made that in art class?
Yes.
Kaylee, that's beautiful. What's her name? Granny Frump
Yes.
from the Addams family. She's the old grandma.
Yes.
Ah! So she doesn't have any fingers, so we're eating her fingers?
Yes.
Very cool, Kay. All right, let's put her down. All right, so create, cook, and talk.
If you like
Right? Create, cook, and talk. Encourage learning while creating yum. And
if you like our video, give us a thumbs up if you like our video. If you have another recipe for Halloween, can you give us another recipe for me and my mom for next time?
can you send us in what's your favorite character? Ask them to tell us
Wait,
who they like from the Addams.
Who is the favorite Adam family guy?
Yeah. All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.